As a recruiter, it's always a pressure to go back in the Institute of Management because the effect is very professional. The way they do the selection process is very professional. And it's also proud to say that many of the stalwart from the Institute of Management, Bangalore, has taken a pivotal role in Singaporean success in India.
IIMB's vision is to be a global renowned academic institution, fostering excellence in business management and entrepreneurship for business, government and society.
Keeping with this vision, since its inception in 1973, IIMB has distinguished itself by its excellent academic programs, executive education, research across management and related disciplines, support for entrepreneurs, and its contribution to public policy.
We have very strong academic programs. We have some of the best research-oriented faculty in the country. They publish in some of the best academic journals in the world. Fortunately, IIM Bangalore has a very strong record in placement because of the excellence of our MBA program and other degree programs, and of course the quality of our students.
Career Development Services Office works with the students from the day they join the institute till the day they graduate by assisting them to choose the right career path. More than 150 companies visit IIM Bangalore to meet their talent needs every year. Over the years, IIM Bangalore has become the preferred destination for many recruiters. IIM Bangalore follows a highly transparent placement process which is appreciated by both recruiters and students.
IIM Bangalore completely justifies its motto, Tejasvi Navadidamastu, which means let our study be enlightening. It imparts this education through methods like case-based pedagogy and lecture-based sessions, which helps students gain deeper understanding of the subject.
Last year, I came here with so many dreams in my eyes. And trust me, IIM Bangalore has offered me far and beyond what I have imagined.
IIM Bangalore has taught me two very important things. The first is balance. I think as we go through our professional careers, our personal lives, the most important thing is balance. And I think the kind of education I got here among the various subjects, the diverse tutors, the kind of experiences I had, I think that was one of the biggest learnings. And I think the second thing is when you're put in a new environment and how do you deal with adversity, I think the grit and the tenacity that is required to sustain and continuously do well and endeavor to succeed, I think that's a very important attribute that this institute has taught me.
Our incubator, run under the aegis of N.S. Raghavan Center for Entrepreneurial Learning, NSRCEL, has a unique positioning in helping hundreds of qualified individuals start their first venture. We are the national leader in massive open online courses, with more than 40 MOOCs courses in management offered on the edX, Swayam and IIMBX platforms.
At IIM Bangalore, our key strength undoubtedly is our faculty body, who are committed to bringing the most recent advances in management education into our classrooms. Cases written by IIMB faculty are widely popular all over the world. IIMB has a rich tradition and culture of research and scholarship. Many of our faculty members regularly publish in the leading academic journals in management education. Our endeavor has always been to keep our research rigorous, but also to keep it impactful. Right? And so it is in this regard that we have set up several centers of excellence. And these centers of excellence cover several areas ranging from entrepreneurship to risk in financial markets, supply chain management, public policy. Essentially what these centers do is they sort of act as a bridge between the IIMB faculty as well as industry and government. This way our faculty are clued in to the various challenges faced by both industry and government, and it enables them to engage productively with the different sectors of the economy. In fact, many of our faculty members regularly feature on boards of prestigious companies as well as important government committees.
At IIMB, we have an Office of Diversity and Inclusion that aims to make our institute more diverse and more inclusive. For us, diversity means that we admit students and hire faculty and staff from as many different backgrounds as possible. Inclusiveness is about humility and respect. It means that we show respect to all individuals regardless of their background. For students with disabilities, we try to provide necessary support so that they can perform to the best of their abilities.
Trust me, this institute amazed me in every bit of sense. I had issues walking up to the class, and the rigorous course outline that is here, I was in doubt like if I'll be able to compete with the brightest student in the country out here. At that point, ODS came into picture, who helped me in every bit of sense.
I must say that IIM Bangalore has one of the strongest disabled training programs in the country, and it's definitely unparalleled.
It is our belief, and we will continue to pursue that, and that is to make IIM Bangalore iconic because of the quality of its students, because of the quality of its teaching, because of the quality of its research, and more importantly, because of the quality of the values that it instills in people who pass through IIM Bangalore. We're not just talking about academic excellence, we're also talking about building people of character, people who operate with the best work ethic.